077 326 99137. I'll give you that again, 077 326 99137. Now, as you've heard there earlier on, we've got the Hutchinson brothers with us. They're down a man. He's away gallivanting somewhere, and that's a good Ulster word, isn't it? That's a very good, handy word. He's away gallivanting around the country somewhere. I was looking there at you playing the harmonica or the mouth organ, as I would call it. Some people call it some kind of an organ. What key are those things in?
The two main keys for traditional music if you're playing in the session would be D and G. This G, this is a tombo. The neck was a tombo. They're made in China, and I purchased them from Maghera. And the other one's just a horner. But sometimes you need A as well. Sometimes you need the A key as well. But most of the D and G covers a lot of the tunes in the session, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Traditional music.
So that would tie up most of the tunes.
That would cover a lot of tunes through D and G.
Well, I see Philip here has changed instruments.
That's right, the banjo here.
And this, when did you take up the banjo?
Well, as I said a while ago, I'm a fiddle player mainly.
Yes, well, that's what I was thinking, but that still doesn't tell me when you took it up, you know.
Well, it might be a year, maybe, I'm not sure, back and forth, just, you know.
Yes, and is this a tenor banjo or, you know?
Actually, tenor.
Yes, it sounds like a tenor banjo. It's a 4-string, isn't it?
4-string too, yes.
Yes, I usually play at the 5, you know.
Sure.
But the 4 is a very nice instrument too.
It does indeed.
So, what are you going to play for us this time?
Try 2 hornpipes through the harvest home on the boys at Blue Hill.
Ah, man, dear, I love the harvest home. Look, say, I'll step back here from the mic right here.
Dead on.
is tremendous. You boys play out quite a bit, don't you?
Do back and forth, yes.
Where were you at last night? I heard you were away playing some. Last night? No.
I was out last night.
You were out last night. Where were you at?
I was out last night with a few players in Bradley's Corner, the bar in Desmond.
Oh yes, I know where it's at.
On a great night, we'd like to mention we fellows run like Weezy McBride from
Yes.
Maghera and there was a bus load of ones there that had been away previously a month ago and up to Scotland and we're all there for we get together and
Yes.
it was a great night together.
And were you up dancing?
No dancing last night to you. Not that type of music, no.
Were there any women there?
Not away, not away.
Well, you know, were there any there?
One or two, but I think they were all taken up to you. They were sort of maybe married sort of thing, you know.
That's no sport, you know, when they're married.
I don't think there's any available ones now, no.
You know, Alan here, you know, he's going to get married very short.
That's it,
You know, and she's keeping a pretty, you know. You know, he
There was
gives me a
some-
hard time when she's not here. But she's landed here tonight, and I'm just sitting tonight.
Oh, is this over here too?
No, this is her over here. Is she a nice wee girl?
Oh, she's a good looking lady, all right.
Aye, he's a nice fella.
He's a lovely man, like.
He is, you know, and they're getting married next year. So you likely have us all invited to the big tent out here for a shindig. And if he invites us, we'll eat some feet.
We'll do some good stuff there, aye.
Look,
Hugh, we were playing an army piece before.
I was going to ask you that.
Sorry, Hugh, aye.
I was going to ask you to play another wee piece for Madge. She's sitting down there in the house.
Aye, we're all right.
Yes.
We'll be back in public.
Right, so that's all right. You go ahead there, and I'll keep here talking here down. And how is Madge keeping? All right.
She's not too mobile, but good heart, and as long as she's scolding, I know she's all right. You know, she scolds me a lot, and as long as I know.
Quit talking, man.
As long as I hear her scolding, I know she's keeping right.
I have a wife, and she's never done scold me. I'm going to ask Anne there to look up a song there for me to play for my wife, because I have to go down and face her. And maybe I love you because I like that, and I hope she likes it. So this is a request from me to my wife. I love you because you understand.
John
Reeves, yeah?
Yes, by John Reeves.
Okay, that'll come up after this next piece then.
Right. William's going to play here.
Yeah.